Look how they fell both in different directions. That one came that way, and then that one wedged in. So they're both on the creek. And if you look underneath, you can see it's a mix of like loam and clay. But then, and they don't have like a tap root. It's just kind of fibrous surface with nothing anchoring it. That's crazy. Makes me wonder how high this creek was up then with that storm.
You know what's going on there? This is also a cedar, and when it was cut down many years ago, these roots are grafted to the roots of one of these live cedars, so it healed over the edge of the cut.
New apical meristem.
You see that a lot with Douglas fir too. If there was a Douglas fir stump next to.
Okay, so I was trying to figure out, do you know why they fell in different directions? Or do you think it just glanced off the trees and that way, pushed that one that way?
Well, it was a combination of super saturated soils and wind. Probably had a bunch of snow up here.
Oh yeah.
So if there's still snow on the top of the trees and the wind blows, it's got a lot of leverage to tip something over, especially when half of its feet are in the water. This probably started it, because that's a naturally weak place in the tree. So these probably split and fell over, and that disturbed the roots on this one enough it came over too. It's likely that these broke that big root right there off. I don't think we want to include any of this wood in my measured cutoff because I don't know what it's like on the inside.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Okay. We got enough here to just take, you know, solid pieces, and the rest becomes firewood.
Yeah, we got a 20-footer here. We'll get a 16-footer out of that. And I think I'll just cut 16s out of this. Beam, boom, boom. Oh, look at this. Barbed wire.
I felt that. That was awesome.
You were in the right spot. It was, phew. It went either side. It's about 5 foot.
It looks.
Oh, it's getting ready to go.
I spoke too soon. I was gonna say it looks like it maybe it's rested more on the soil than I thought.